Superstar Shah Rukh Khan was present at the launch of digital interface of a renowned brand. The actor, who was thrilled with the innovative solutions offered by the company, shared his insights on the same.
It's actually like Ajay said and Sanjay said, I think it's, I'm a big believer of we should do things from our country and become world famous. So I was really surprised, and there's some other businesses also that I get to hear about. And we are leaders in it already in the world. And furnishing and all the work and manufacturing that they do. I was really surprised to know that they're the third largest company or industry in terms of sales and everything. And now to be amongst the top, that's great pride for India. Yeah. And so I'm one extremely humble, and it always becomes. I always say this: when somebody signs you as a brand ambassador, they're taking their company's value. They're taking the company's reputation and putting it on a face. So if tomorrow something was to be done misappropriate by me, it does reflect on the company, and they have nothing to do with me. They've been working hard. So it's a matter of responsibility. And when I come and have a meeting with the dealers, the retailers, the consumers, indirectly, I don't prepare anything. For me, it is as many of them as I can talk to, interact. We can do this only once in a year, or I think the last time we did this was 3 years or 3.5 years ago. It feels nice to know the people who are behind the scenes and front of the scenes, which make DDeco what it is, which in turn makes me what I am. So I'm very happy that I can come and allay my services for people. That's a little unfair. चीज़ वही चलती है और बिकती है जो अच्छी होती है.
बड़े नाम है और अगर आप जुड़ते हैं तो बहुत फायदा होता है.
मैं बताता हूँ, आप स्वीट खरीदें, उसकी रैपिंग अच्छी है, और लेकिन स्वीट अच्छी नहीं लगे तो रैपिंग के लिए आप बार बार नहीं खरीदेंगे. तो मैं रैपिंग, लेकिन अगर
आप रैपिंग नहीं, आप एक बड़े
मगर मैं चादर सॉफ्ट नहीं बना सकता, मैं पिलो कवर सॉफ्ट और जेंटल नहीं बना सकता. ये दुकान में लोग आ सकते हैं कि मेरा फेस वहाँ पे लगा, लेकिन दूसरी बार तब आएंगे जब वो पिलो कवर अच्छा होगा, जब वो फर्निशिंग अच्छी होगी, वो अपहोल्स्ट्री अच्छी होगी, टेक्निकली इट बी द बेस्ट कि अगर वाइन स्टेन नहीं पड़ेगा, पानी से ख़राब नहीं होगा. ये इतनी चीज़ें करते हैं कपड़े के अंदर, मुझे तो मालूम भी नहीं पड़ता कि एक कपड़े के साथ इतना कुछ हो सकता है. सो आई थिंक अनफेयर टू आस्क समवन बिकॉज दे विल बी मॉडेस्ट इनफ एंड से ही हैज़ हेल्प्ड अस अ लॉट. येस, आई मस्ट हैव टू स्टार्ट ऑफ, but I think then the product helps me to become a better ambassador.